ఎగ్జిబిషన్ సొసైటీ వారు నడుపుతున్నటువంటి ఈ ఫార్మసీ కాలేజీ సరోజినీ నాయుడు మహావిద్యాలయ ఫార్మసీ కాలేజీ చాలా అద్భుతమైన కాలేజీ. చాలా మంచి ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ తోటి గొప్ప అకాడమిక్ పాత్లో దారిలో నడుస్తూ ఉంది. వారందరికీ మేనేజింగ్ కమిటీకి, ఎగ్జిబిషన్ కమిటీకి, సొసైటీకి వీళ్ళందరికీ సిల్వర్ జూబ్లీ శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలుపుతున్నాం. సిల్వర్ జూబ్లీ కాదు, 25 సంవత్సరాలుగా గొప్ప స్టాండర్డ్స్ తోటి కాలేజీ నడిపి ద బెస్ట్ కాలేజ్ అనిపించుకున్నారు. అంతేకాకుండా ఎంతోమంది ఎవ్రీ మంత్ ప్రతి నెలలో కనీసం 2 లీడర్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇండస్ట్రీ ఆర్ అకాడమిక్, ఈ రెండిట్లో కనీసం నెలకి 2 సార్లైనా వాళ్ళతోటి పిల్లల్ని ఇంటరాక్షన్ చేపిస్తూ ఉన్నారు. ఇవాళ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ సెమినార్లు కూడా కండక్ట్ చేసి మన పిల్లలు, మనకు తెలుసు ఇండియన్స్ అమెరికాలో ఎంత గొప్ప పొజిషన్స్ సాధించారు. ఒక సుందర్ పిచాయిని ఎక్కడో చూసామో లేదో, కానీ మా స్టూడెంట్స్ మాతో పాటు ఉన్నవాళ్ళు, వాళ్ళు రోజు చూసేవాళ్ళని ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి చూశారు. దేర్ ఇస్ ఎ వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్, సీనియర్ వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎ యూనివర్సిటీ ఇన్ అమెరికాలో ఒక యూనివర్సిటీని నడిపే ఆయన, ఒక ఫార్మసీ కంపెనీని నడిపేవాళ్ళు మన వాళ్ళే వచ్చారంటే గొప్ప ఇన్స్పిరేషన్గా ఉంటుంది. వాళ్ళని ఫిజికల్గా చూస్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ. సో అది చాలా గొప్ప ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ ఉంటుంది. అటువంటి ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ ఈ కాలేజీ పిల్లలకి అన్ని వేరే కాలేజెస్ అందరూ కూడా వచ్చారు. సో ఈ సిల్వర్ జూబ్లీలో ఇలాంటి అవకాశాలు కల్పిస్తున్నటువంటి మేనేజ్మెంట్ కమిటీని అభినందిస్తున్నాను. చాలా గొప్ప పని చేస్తున్నారు, గొప్ప స్టాండర్డ్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తున్నారు, చాలా రీసెర్చ్ ఓరియంటేషన్తో కాలేజీ నడుపుతున్నారు. So this is all a great thing, and they should go on to become not only silver jubilee, golden jubilee, diamond jubilee ఇవన్నీ చేసుకోవాలని, ఇండియాలో ఒక గొప్ప ఫార్మసీ కాలేజీగా ఇది ఎదగాలని, ఈ పిల్లలు మన దేశంలోని కాదు ఇతర దేశాల్లో కాదు ఎక్కడైనా సరే గొప్ప పేరు మనందరికీ తీసుకురావాలని వాళ్ళందరినీ ఆశీర్వదిస్తున్నాం.
Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Prabha Shankar, Chairman of Sarojini Naidu Vanita Pharmacy Mahavidyalaya. We are celebrating our 25 years of establishment, and this is a Silver Jubilee celebrations going on. Yesterday was the inaugural day, followed by scientific sessions, and today in the morning we had 2 scientific sessions, and it will be followed by 2 more scientific sessions, and then there will be scientific poster presentations and oral presentations for the delegates. There are about 1,000 delegates are participating in this Indo-US summit, which we are organizing here in the Tagore Auditorium, Osmania University. Now along with me, my speakers from United States are here, and they will give a small information or a briefing to the press here. Now I request Mr. Sudhakar Paul, who is one of the speakers now, and he will give a small briefing about Indo-US Summit.
Okay, thank you, Prabha. CEO in a pharmaceutical company in the US, and I'm here on invitation for this Indo-US Summit. So the last few sessions have been very informative and educative for the people, and it's a very well put together, summit. I think it's the first one.
This is the first time.
First summit, first summit, and it's we're glad to be here to meet with the students, give them some information about US pharmaceutical business, pharmaceutical education, and various things. So hopefully the rest of, we have 2 more days. 2 more days, and we're looking forward to the rest of it. Okay.
And now I introduce
Rajendra Prasu. I'm a professor and department chair at University of Houston, Texas. I've specifically come here to be part of this momentous occasion because this university, Sarojini Naidu Pharmacy Mahavidyalaya, is celebrating 25 years of its creation, and I think it's really significant to see the amount of progress the institution has made. I'm really surprised and happy to see the quality of the education they have for the pharmacy students, which provides education to B Pharm MPharm and the PharmD students. I'm really excited to talk to all the students. Actually, we want to get more students like this when we recruit students for the PhD program. And I had a wonderful conversation in terms of the research which I have conducted, but also more excited about in terms of recruiting students from this wonderful institution. So I hope to see more research and more collaborations with this university.
Now, Suman Shankar, our next speaker, and she has also come from US to address the delegates.
Yes. Namaste, my name is Suman Shankar. I am here visiting here from United States, and I'm a retired research scientist. I worked for Pfizer for 33 years in discovery sciences, and I'm very thankful to Dr. Prabhashankar for inviting me. It is a very impressive meeting, and it's nice to see that there are so many girls who are interested in science. And today I'm here to talk about the new novelties in drug discovery, and I'm here to encourage the girls and say that they can do anything. They can break the grass ceiling, and that's what I want to accomplish from this meeting. Thank you.
Chairman Sarojini Naidu Vanita Pharmacy Mahavidyalaya to brief you about the benefits and advantages of organizing such a huge Indo-US summit here in the Tagore Auditorium, Osmania University.
I am Dr. A.V. Shrikant, the Vice Chairman of this college, Sarojini Naidu Vanita Pharmacy Mahavidyalaya. Say this summit, Indo-US summit, it's for the pharma professionals and students. So this the one who have attended this summit so far are people from mostly they are students. Second thing is from other colleges, principals, managements, then industry, pharma industry, then experts, and also some educators. So this has really helped, and one of the aim of this summit is to get some networking, to do some networking activity, and also to find out some network partners, and also to go with MOUs or any other sort of commitments from the people who are coming all the way from US. So far this summit has gained in obtaining one from MSN Laboratories, that they have agreed to come and do campus interviews. Second thing is yesterday State Council and Dr. Reddy's also. And second is our State Council of Higher Education. Vice Chairman has come. He has also invited the institutions and the industry to participate in their undergraduate program, which they are going to start very soon in biomedical sciences.
We are going to sign an
So readily we are going to sign an MOU with them also. So almost with government also we are going to sign an MOU. And third thing, today Dr. Hidakaran Reddy, he has accepted to do some networking activity of capacity building in academic institutions, like becoming leaders in the academic institution. Because today quality is the utmost concern. So to improve the quality, we have to improve the management and administration of the colleges. So that's where the area he wants to help us. So far these are the advantages. Of course, students have got many advantages. They know about how to get into these foreign universities, and especially in America, and they also have the bent of this essence of the foreign education, how it will be and how we are going to match them. So these are the outcomes so far, and one and a half day is still more. We will get more outcomes. Thank you.
from Newsfeed.
First of all, I can say it's what an incredible opportunity here for students and for faculty and administrators to come together and to learn from each other and network. And thanks to Dr. Prabhashankar and Mr. Pradyumna Reddy and other organizing committee members for an incredible opportunity for students and faculty. It's a great opportunity. Thank you.
When we were studying pharmacy degree,
I am proud of all my senior students here all of them were gems while they were studying, and now they are doing excellent job. Out of all, now people from US, they are also, all those now who are here are my students. That's how I feel proud. And out of all, Prabhashankar, from the beginning, he was a good organizer, and this is an best example of his organization. And it is for the first time he has conducted the Indo-US Summit for Pharmacy in Hyderabad, and this credit should go to him. And that too is well organized and well done. And the students of this college and all colleges under Osmania University and elsewhere will definitely get benefited by this summit, because excellent speakers, excellent ideas introduced, excellent guidance they have shown, and they have encouraged, not only here, they also asked to contact them wherever they are, and they are ready to help them. That is the real important feature of this summit. And even in future, whatever guidance we require, they promise to give. And the future of pharmacy is very, very bright in coming at least 20 years. It is going to its height, and that is especially in patient care. So if now this conference will definitely help all the students of pharmacy to become excellent pharmacists in future. Thank you.